Hi guys, hope you're well and staying safe. Just building up some interesting package in the workshop today, so just thought I'd do a quick behind the scenes video to show you what we're working on. We've got a 150mm Durco fire seal butterfly valve fitted with a Norbro spring return actuator, max seal solenoid and the iconic Westlock Switchbox on top to show the open and close position. Quite a nice little package this. The customer actually wants the valve to be fail open, so you can see at the moment it's in the open position even though there's no air onto the actuator. That meant that we had to convert the Norbro actuator from spring return fail close to spring return fail open. So we had to take it apart, twist the pinions round, put it all back together, test it, make sure that it all worked, and then assemble it onto the valve. We've set the limit switches inside the switch box for the customer open and closed, and the customer wanted the actual package piping in, copper piping with PVC coating and weired fittings. So we've met the customer specification on that. We've function tested it, and all that's left to do now is to pack it up and get it ready to go out the door. So just a bit something different, a little bit of an interesting package. So just thought I'd show you that. Thank you very much for watching.